Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. Today we are looking at a crypto card that is valid worldwide, that has actually partnered with Solana and is offering cash back as you spend in order for you to earn points. So we're going to get into that today, but just a reminder that I am not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, simply a geek on the internet here to bring you different forms of entertainment. Sometimes it's going to be crypto, AI, Web3, all kinds of things. But the bottom line is always going to be this: make sure you are doing your own research and do your own due diligence. You're the only person responsible for your financial decisions at the end of the day. So make sure that any kind of decisions you're vetting or whatever, you're fully researching, and never let me be the last word on what you are doing with your finances. That being said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So we are looking at KAST, and basically they are suggesting that they're going to be solving a lot of your payment issues that you run into. Spend without borders, global stablecoin banking with 100 million plus merchants and ATMs globally that you can access. Create your KAST card in minutes. Go from sign up and spending in just spending in just 2 to 3 minutes. No bank account needed, and they accept a variety of IDs. I will actually show you a small video of me going through and signing up, and then I sent some money there, so you'll be able to see how that all kind of works and looks like. But you'll be able to spend or save your stable coins in crypto, bringing Tether, USDC, USDE to KAST, with more tokens and stable coins planned to come soon. Their cards work with Apple Pay and Google Pay and are accepted by over 100 million plus merchants globally. Privacy and security is their top priority, or so they claim. Your trust is non-negotiable, period. All funds are fully reserved and held using the leading Web3 technologies. So the X card is a 100% chromally 32G card that is built to withstand premium lifestyle. So there's actually different levels to this whole package. You can get smaller, where it's called the standard, which is their K card. They have an X card and a founders. Your money your way. Top up with ease and manage your money anytime, anywhere. Send dollars worldwide, pay your bills, shop online, and even more. So obviously, like I've said in the past, I really like the idea of crypto cards, and ones that can do it well, I mean, it's nothing but beneficial. I do want to say, you know, they have that partnership with Solana, which is going to reward your payments with points, and those points might eventually be useful when they actually get around to launching their own token and listing that in the future. So that is a potential that you guys might want to know about, but as of right now, they do not have a token that is listed for you to get. This is strictly their card, where they're going to allow you to store and utilize it for your different stable coins. They have these different levels. The standard, $20 a year, first 3 months free in eligible countries, but you can see here 2 to 6% rewards on all spending in 2025. So you get rewards back, kind of like a credit card, but it's not really a credit card. It's a spending card, I guess is how I would describe it. But you'll get instant access to your digital card, so you can start using it right away. It's going to be a plastic card, but looks like it will cost you $100 per physical card that you want to get. With premium, you have $1,000 a year. That is going to offer actually a 5 to 12% rewards on all spending in 2025, as well as the same multiple things for the rest, except you get a premium metal card with one card that you will get free each year, and then $250 each after that if you're losing your cards for some reason, or if you need a multitude. And then Founders is very similar, except it's only a $5,000 fee once, and then you'll get that premium metal card unlimited up to 888 times, except with the one free card a year. So I guess it's hard to say what they're suggesting there. Are they saying that you'll get 888 free ones, one each year, or one free card a year and then $250 each? a little confused on that. So you might need to research and see what the exact difference between that is, but good stuff to know. So the way that their cash back is going to be broken up, it's one of their key features, offering that 5 to 15% back in KAST points on every transaction. There's seasons to it, and currently they're in season 2, but the breakdown of it actually working started with season 1, where at the end of January 2025, that's where it ended, but it was 6 to 18% points. Currently they're in 5 to 15% in points. Season 3 will be 4 to 12% in points. Season 4, which will be from September to November 2025, will only be 3 to 10% in points. And then lastly, season 5 will be anything past November until the point that they intend to launch their own token. That is going to be 2 to 8% in points. So that all kind of being out there, obviously, as the time goes on, you're going to be looking at, you know, less and less cash back, or less and less points that you're getting back overall the later you wait. So that's basically the whole concept there. It's obviously designed to get you to try and jump in quicker and sooner in order to earn more points back. So obviously you're going to want to start off by downloading, pretty straightforward there. And then this is the first thing you're going to see. It's going to require you to sign up. You'll create a PIN, very simple standard stuff that you'd expect. But you'll get to the main screen and this is what it's going to look like. Obviously you want a card, so you're going to have to add one. I'm not going to show that particular process on screen, simply because that would show a lot of my personal information, but once you're done entering all of that, it will generate your card. And then you have the other aspects to look at. You have the refer a friend. This is going to be able to be here for you to refer other people, and you'll both get points for doing so. And then you'll have your actual points and the different things that you can utilize them on. And yeah, you also have the concierge, which is the WhatsApp and the WeChat, Telegram, things like that at your disposal. And as you can see here, I already put $10 in. Transferring money to and from is pretty much as simple as it is for any kind of crypto exchange or external card. Obviously, if you want to receive in a specific format, you hit receive and do it through there. And if you want to send it in a certain format, it's pretty much the same thing. Also, I would like to encourage you all to click on my referral link that is down in the description below. You'll be able to receive 500 KAST points, which is a $25 value for using the link. That's going to help them track conversions, and this will also get me rewards and points. So hey, thanks if you do that. Also, if you click on the referral link, that will also give you 20% off of any paid card, the physical cards. So you can, instead of paying $100 for the standard card, the standard physical card, you can instead pay $80. But this does also work on the premium cards. If you get and use this this affiliate link, it will also get you 20% off of that if that's the one you're looking at instead. Also, something you should know is they have a foreign exchange fee, and it is 2%. So that is something to note as well. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this one. I've said before, I'll say it again. I love crypto cards, the concept, the way they work. They're just good, right? The base decision you have to make is what crypto card you want, or if you want another crypto card. If you're, you feel this is worth jumping on the bandwagon in order to get that 20% off via my affiliate link, or whether it's worth it to earn that cash back, the end points that they are putting forward. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and we'll be sure to see you in the next video. Peace.